I'm in a Kendall Homes, Grayson. This is the first time I'm seeing this house. But this yard is humongous. Right over here. Look at that. This lot is 100 feet wide by 300 deep. This is around 2,000, a little over 2,000 square feet. And it's a 4-bedroom. Wow. Big covered front porch. Really tall ceilings. Here's bedroom 1. It's beautiful. I like this color. You have a linen closet inside. Another big bedroom. Lots of light in here, and this is fantastic, this big window. All right, so we come into the front door area and we have a coat closet. This bigger door. Here's the utility room. And it's big. Washing machine, dryer go there. You could probably put something else over here. A hall tree or where all the backpacks and everything go. But then we got a big garage here. Three-car garage, but check that out. There's like a shop area back here. And then this 3rd-car garage has an exit door. And that goes to the backyard. Which is incredible. And over there, that's a sprinkler system. And man, this is really wide. You could put a table there. You can drop all your keys and everything. Here's bedroom 3. And that's where you can see that garage door exit going into the backyard. Huge living room. Big pantry. Nice cooktop. This is Wi-Fi. go in the back. Covered patio, gas stub out right there, some electricity. Look at this yard. And this goes way back there. All the way back there. Four-sided brick looks great. And here's the primary. It's very big. Nice shower. Toilet has a door. And here's the master closet. Looks great. So this is a Kendall Homes plan, Grayson. If you have any questions about it, let me know.